Mastering test preparation. Study for the test, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase many English learners come across: study for the test. Understanding this phrase is crucial for academic success and can greatly impact your learning journey. Let's break it down together and ensure you're fully prepared for your next test. Study for the test is a phrase that implies preparing oneself for an upcoming examination by reviewing or learning the material that will be covered. It's not just about a quick glance at your notes, but engaging in a structured review process that enhances your understanding and recall of the information. This preparation can take various forms, from reading textbooks to completing practice problems. Studying for tests is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it reinforces learning by allowing you to revisit and integrate knowledge gained during classes or lectures. Secondly, it builds confidence, reducing anxiety when the test day arrives. By preparing thoroughly, you familiarize yourself with the material, which can significantly impact your performance and grades. To make the most out of your study sessions, consider these strategies. Create a study schedule. Allocate specific times for studying each topic, ensuring you cover all necessary material before the test date. Use active learning techniques. Engage with the material through summarizing, teaching others, or creating mind maps. Practice under test conditions. Try completing practice tests or questions under timed conditions to simulate the test environment. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification on topics you find challenging, whether from teachers, classmates, or online resources. When studying for a test, avoid these common pitfalls. Cramming. Trying to learn everything the night before the test is less effective and can lead to burnout. Passive reading. Simply reading your notes without engaging with the material is less likely to result in deep understanding. Ignoring weak areas. Focus on your weaknesses to ensure a balanced grasp of all test topics. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means to study for the test, and has provided you with strategies to enhance your test preparation. Remember, successful test taking begins with effective study habits. Keep practicing, stay positive, and don't forget to take care of your well-being during your study sessions. Good luck, and see you in our next video.